Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Product Reviews. If you're tired of dragging around a heavy corded vacuum and constantly switching outlets, today's video is exactly what you need. We're counting down the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners for 2025 that will completely transform your cleaning routine. Gone are the days when cordless meant weak suction and dead batteries. Today's cordless vacuums pack serious power, run for extended periods, and can tackle everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair. We put these models through rigorous testing on both hard floors and carpets, examining their suction power, battery life, maneuverability, and overall value for money. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, have a mix of floor types, or just want the convenience of cord-free cleaning, we've got something perfect for your needs and budget. So let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Roid Mi S2, and this is hands down the best budget cordless vacuum available in the US market. If you're looking for serious cleaning power without breaking the bank, this stylish white vacuum delivers way more than its affordable price tag suggests. The Roid Mi S2 weighs in at just 2.6 kilograms and features a compact 0.55-liter dustbin. You'll get up to 60 minutes of runtime, and it charges back up in just 2 hours and 30 minutes. What really impressed us is the build quality. This doesn't feel like a cheap vacuum at all. The matte white design looks modern and sophisticated, and it comes with a thoughtful range of sturdy, well-made accessories. You get 3 different suction levels controlled by a simple button on the handle, giving you plenty of control over your cleaning intensity. The wall-mounted charging dock is compact and discreet, making this perfect if you're short on storage space. The suction power and maneuverability are genuinely impressive for this price range. Now, there are a few trade-offs to keep in mind. It can be a bit noisy during operation, and that small dust container means you'll be emptying it more frequently, especially if you have a large home or pets that shed a lot. The emptying process itself can also be a bit messy compared to more premium models. Here's a pro tip. Don't pay full price for this vacuum. It's almost constantly discounted by significant amounts, and if you can snag it around the $175 mark, it's an absolute steal. Unfortunately, if you're in the UK, the S2 is very hard to find these days. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. At number 4, we have the Shark Detect Pro Cordless Auto Empty System, and this is the ultimate choice if you want a truly hands-off cleaning experience. The star feature here is that auto-empty base that literally does the dirty work for you. This vacuum weighs just 6 pounds or 2.8 kilograms with a small 0.4-liter onboard dust cup. But here's the genius part. The base holds a massive 2 liters of debris. Runtime varies by region, with 40 minutes in the US and 60 minutes in the UK and Australia, and it takes 3 hours to fully charge. The magic happens when you dock the vacuum. All that collected dust and debris gets whooshed out through a completely closed system into a large dust bag in the base. This is fantastic news for allergy sufferers because there's virtually no chance for dust to escape back into your air. Plus, you can literally go weeks without thinking about emptying anything. The vacuum itself is incredibly smart. It automatically adjusts suction when it detects different floor types. And here's something really clever. It actually increases power on the side of the cleaning head when it approaches room edges where dust loves to collect. The lightweight design makes it super maneuverable, and it converts easily into a handheld for furniture and overhead cleaning. The downside? The suction isn't quite as powerful as some other models in this price range, so if you have lots of thick carpet or heavy pet hair situations, you might want to look elsewhere. The dock is also fairly bulky and not the most attractive piece of furniture. The attachment selection is pretty limited too. You might only get a crevice tool and maybe a pet tool. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Taking the number 3 spot is the Dyson V15 Detect, widely considered the best cordless Dyson vacuum you can buy right now. This is premium engineering at its finest, and if you want cutting-edge technology in your cleaning routine, this is where Dyson really shines. Weighing 6.8 pounds or 3 kilograms, it features a generous 0.8-liter dustbin and delivers up to 60 minutes of cleaning time. The charge time is longer at 4 hours and 30 minutes, but the performance you get is worth the wait. What sets this apart is the incredible technology packed inside. The automatic suction adjustment doesn't just respond to dirt levels. It actually shows you real-time dust reports on a colorful screen. You can literally watch as the vacuum detects different particle sizes and volumes, giving you a complete picture of what you're picking up. When that graph flatlines, you know that section of floor is completely clean. The laser-equipped soft roller head for hard floors is absolutely brilliant. It illuminates dust and debris that you'd never see with the naked eye, ensuring you get every speck. The maneuverability is exceptional. The cleaning head pivots effortlessly in any direction you need it to go. Performance-wise, this vacuum sailed through every test we threw at it. Even on the lowest eco mode, the suction is impressive, and the battery life indicator tells you exactly how much time you have left, so you'll never be caught off guard. The main drawbacks are the premium price tag and the slightly top-heavy design that can feel unwieldy when using it as a handheld. Also, while this offers great value compared to the newer GEN5 Detect model, you're still paying a premium for the Dyson name. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Our number 2 pick is the Shark Stratos Cordless, and if you have pets, this is absolutely the vacuum you want. This model is specifically engineered to tackle the unique challenges that come with furry family members. At 8.8 pounds or 4 kilograms, it's definitely heavier than other options, but that extra weight translates directly into more power. The dustbin is a generous 0.8 liters, and you'll get 60 minutes of runtime, though charge time isn't specified by the manufacturer. The cleaning head design is ingenious for pet owners. Instead of letting hair wrap around and clog the rollers like most vacuums do, it's engineered to funnel hair straight into the dust cup. This works great for long human hair too, but it's particularly effective at preventing those frustrating tangles that usually require you to stop and cut hair away from the brush. The suction power is excellent for a cordless model, making it fantastic for pulling stubborn pet fur out of carpets and upholstery. There's also a built-in odor neutralizer puck that keeps everything smelling fresh, a nice touch when you're dealing with pet messes. Like most Shark vacuums, the wand can bend forward, letting you clean right under furniture without getting on your hands and knees. The maneuverability is good, though not quite as nimble as a Dyson. The larger dust cup means fewer trips to the trash, which is especially helpful when you're dealing with the extra debris that pets generate. The trade-offs are the heavier weight and the fact that the cleaning head is a bit bulky for narrow spaces. If you have mostly hard floors and don't need the extra pet-focused power, you might prefer a lighter option. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And our number 1 pick for the best cordless vacuum cleaner overall is the Dreame R20. This vacuum offers the perfect combination of performance, features, and value that makes it ideal for most households. At just 6 pounds or 2.7 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight thanks to an innovative carbon fiber wand. The 0.6-liter dustbin provides plenty of capacity, and the battery life is outstanding at 90 minutes of runtime with just 2 hours of charging time. The suction performance is absolutely superb, delivering reliable cleaning on both carpet and hard floors. It handles everything from large debris to fine dust to sticky pet hair without breaking a sweat. What really impressed us is the auto mode that automatically ramps up power when it senses heavily soiled areas and reduces power when the floor is cleaner, maximizing both performance and battery. You get an excellent selection of attachments, including a dedicated fluffy floor head for delicate hard floors and a mini motorized tool for furniture cleaning. The carbon fiber wand keeps the weight down while maintaining durability, and it bends forward to 90 degrees for easy under-furniture cleaning. The vacuum is trigger-operated, and while the trigger can be a bit sensitive, there's a switch for continuous operation so your finger won't get tired during longer cleaning sessions. The battery life is so impressive that you probably won't even miss having a dedicated low-power mode. The only minor complaints are the lack of that low-power mode we mentioned and a slightly whiny noise during operation. Also, there's no auto-empty base option if that's something you're looking for. This vacuum sits in the lower mid-price range, but delivers features and performance you'd expect from much more expensive models. The value proposition is simply outstanding, making it our top recommendation for most people. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And there you have it, the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners for 2025. The Dreame R20 takes our top spot with its incredible combination of lightweight design, powerful suction, and fantastic value. But honestly, any of these vacuums will transform your cleaning routine and give you the freedom that only cordless cleaning can provide. Remember, the best vacuum for you depends on your specific needs. If you have pets, the Shark Stratos is unbeatable. Want high-tech features? The Dyson V15 Detect is amazing. Need hands-off convenience? The Shark Detect Pro with auto-empty is perfect. On a tight budget? The Roid Mi S2 delivers incredible value. Which vacuum caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check the description for current pricing and detailed specs on all these models. If this video helped you make a decision, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews.